I would like to present to you our Ammann Care programs, which are extended coverage for our machinery. We have coverage up to 60 months. We cover in terms of content of the packages. We are covering our advanced telematics solution, which we call Service Link. Spare parts, service kits and maintenance kits are included within this program. We are also covering the mileage costs and labor costs within this program. The program is really designed to really keep the machines operational the most possible time, keep the uptime, and bring peace of mind to our dealers and our customers. In terms of machines that we are covering with these programs, we are covering single drum rollers, light and heavy tandem rollers, pneumatic rollers, trench rollers, and also our new 1570 ABG mini paver. We are offering this through our dealership network. It is fully transferable and very modular. Basically all the dealer needs to do is basically register the Ammann Care program. All of these programs are included in your price list, so it should be very easy for you to make the right assessment. And we are really happy to offer you these programs to make sure that you are able to work with our machinery for the most possible time.